Hi everyone, welcome to EHS Academy. My name is Sharad Shetty. Today we are going to start our first lecture on NBC. As this is my first lecture, we are not going to see all the crux about NBC. We are only going to have an introduction of National Building Code. Okay, so let's start. Okay, this is our first slide, and as you can see, first only we have wrote what is NBC. Okay, the National Building Code is a set of building rules prepared and published by the Bureau of Indian Standard. As in the definition, you can clearly understand what is NBC meant for. Okay, it is a rule. Okay, don't confuse with other acts. In our law, there are many types of terminologies we use like act, rules, regulations. Okay, this specific NBC comes under the rule. Okay, so it comes under the Bureau of Indian Standard. Okay, you know there are our standards given by our legislationary. Okay, these rules to be complied with the uh, with while constructing building meant for public occupation such as high rise multi-storage buildings where residents and apartments are provided, warehouse, assembly halls such as treated, administrated, etc. Okay, so in this we have to see what is high rise building. Okay, high rise buildings are those buildings which vertical height is more than 15 meters. Okay, the vertical height. Okay, now let's go to our second slide. Okay, objectives of NBC. Okay, as you can see there are 4 points. We made it very simple and easy for understanding. Okay, the main objective of the NBC is measures are taken to prevent an outbreak of fire. Okay, the main objectives, these are the four main objectives of the NBC. It says the main thing is to prevent an outbreak of fire in a high rise buildings or any buildings. Okay, and the second thing is facilities for easy access to the buildings for the fire brigade persons and their vehicles are provided. Facility to access. Okay, uh, now you have a multi-storage building. Okay, if you don't have a proper access where a fire brigade or a fire tank can travel, there you can face a lot of problems. Okay, provision of first aid fire protection installations are to be provided subjected to conditions. Okay, now what is first aid fire protection? First aid fire protections are those systems which helps to extinguish the fire in case of outbreak of fire, like example sprinkler system, hydrant systems, fire extinguishers. Okay, facilities are made in the building for the safe escape of occupancies in the event of major outbreak of fire. Okay, there are a lot of facilities which are given in NBCs which have to be implemented in high rise buildings. For example, escape routes. Okay, there should be a separate stairways to escape, there should be emergency lights, there should be proper exit doors. This all things comes under this point. Okay, now let's go to our third slide. Okay, classification of building, this is the main thing in NBC. How many classifications are there? All are provided in this PPT. Okay, group A is residential building, group B is educational building, group C is institutional building, group D is assembly building, group E is business building, group F is merchandise building, group G is industrial building, group H is storage building, and group J is hazardous building. Okay, this all comes under classification of buildings. Okay, you should remember all these buildings. Okay, A to Z. Okay, in next lecture we will provide a chart by which you can clearly understand these buildings and what you can remember it very easily. Okay, okay, these are some points. Okay, let's go to our first definition. Okay, what is NBC? You have 2 points here, and I think you have understood properly what are the points given here. Okay, these rules to be complied with while construction building meant for public occupation such as high rise multi-storage buildings. Okay, now in this point we can see this residential building, education buildings, in assembly buildings, business buildings. So it is not that only 15 meters above buildings will come under this. Okay, it is not simple as that. There are many types of building. For example, industrial buildings, they have hazardous materials according to the fire load. We will differentiate these buildings. Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for today's lecture, and I will take bye from you. Thanks.